Hello everyone. Welcome to AE Graphics. Let's preview what we are going to create today. Open After Effects. Create a new comp. Rename it to Romantic Title Animation. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution. 30 frames per second. 6 seconds long. Background color is black. And press OK. Now let's import our project files. Right-click on Project window. Import in File. Select the files and open. You can download the file from the link in description. Create a new comp and rename it to text. And press OK. Now go to Toolbar. Select the horizontal type tool. I am using Gloss and Bloom font. Font size 100. Make sure all the style icons are unchecked. Let's type our text. Romantic title. Align it to the center. And the anchor points too. Now let's create our second text, animation. I am changing the font to Harlow Solid Italic. And turn on superscript. Adjust both the text to our ideas. This looks good to me. Now our basic text layers is ready. Let's animate the text layers. Select the romantic title text. Open its properties. Click on Animate. And choose Opacity. Change the opacity value to 0. Open Range Selector 1. Make sure you are in the first frame. Change the offset value to -100. And set a keyframe. Now go to 2 seconds. And change the offset value to 100. Now open the advanced options. Change the shape to ramp up. Select both the keyframes. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, and Easy Ease. Now let's animate our second text. Select the animation text. Move to 3 seconds. Then go to Effects and Presets. And search for Evaporate. Drag and drop it to the text layer. Press U in keyboard. 2 keyframes will be created as default. Let's swap the keyframes to animate the text. Go to 1 second and 15 frames. Select the second keyframe. Drag it to here. Select both the keyframes. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, and Easy Ease. Now let's add some color effects to the text. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Ramp. Drag and drop it to the romantic title text. Let's adjust few settings. I am changing the start color to yellow. End color is white. Ramp shape to radial ramp. You can adjust the ramps according to your ideas. I am just showing you the path. This looks good to me. Let's add drop shadow to it. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for drop shadow. Drag and drop it to the romantic title text. And leaving the default settings as it is. Now select both the effects by holding Shift in keyboard. Go to Edit. And copy. Select the animation text. Go to Edit and Paste. Adjust the ramp according to the text. This looks good to me. Create a new comp, rename it to background. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Now let's create a solid layer. Right-click. New and Solid. Rename it Background. I am using pink color. You are free to choose your own. And press OK. Now let's add fade to it. Right-click. New and Solid. Rename it to Fade. Make sure the background color is black. And press OK. Select the fade layer. Go to Toolbar. Choose Ellipse tool. Double-click on it. A new mask will be created. Select the inverted box. Open the Mask 1 properties. Change the feather value to 1000 pixels. Open Transform. Change its opacity to 50%. Go to Project window. Select the Scratch PNG. Drag and drop it above all the layers. Create a new comp. Rename it to Heart. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Now go to Project window, select the Heart PNG, drag and drop it to the comp. Turn off the Heart PNG layer. Now create a black solid layer. Right-click. New and Solid. Rename it to Particles. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Select the Particles Solid layer. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for CC Particle World. Drag and drop it to the particle layer. Let's adjust few settings. Change birth rate to 0.2. Open Producer. Change the radius X value to 0.600. Radius Y value to 0.500. Open Physics. Change the animation type to Viscous. Resistance to 50. Now open Particle. Change particle type to Textured Square. Open Texture. Change the text layer to Heart PNG. Change its birth size to 0. Depth size to 0.450. Size variation to 100%. I am changing its birth color to dark yellow. Depth color to white. You are free to choose your own color. Now our heart particles is ready. Let's add more depth to it. Select the particles layers. Go to Edit and Duplicate. Right-click and rename it to Shadow. Select the shadow layer. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for CC Radial Fast Blur. Drag and drop it to the shadow layer. Select the Toggle Transparency grid to make it transparent. Let's adjust few settings. Select the CC Radial Fast Blur. Hold Shift in keyboard. And drag its center point to left. Change the amount to 100. And change its zoom to brightest. Make sure shadow layer is selected. Then go to Effects and Presets. Search for Fill. Drag and drop it to the layer. Change the fill color to black. And reduce its opacity to 40%. You are free to choose your own value. Now select the shadow layer. And place it below the particles layer. Now our heart animation is ready. Now go to the romantic title animation comp. Go to Project window. Let's add other comps we created. Select the background comp. Drag and drop it. Then select the heart comp. Place it above the background comp. Now select the text comp in Project window. Place it above the heart comp. Let's RAM preview. In this we can find that our heart animation is visible behind the text. Let's fix it. Select the heart comp, go to Toolbar. Select the Ellipse tool, and double-click. A new mask will be created. Check the inverted box. Open the Mask 1 properties. Change its feather value to 100 pixels. Now select the Mask 1. Press Ctrl+T in keyboard. Hold Ctrl+Alt. And drag it as shown. Now our animation is ready. As a final step, let's add zoom in effect to it. Create a null object. Right-click. New. And choose Null Object. Rename it to Zoom In. Select the Zoom In layer. And press S to open its scale. Go to the first frame of the comp. Set a keyframe with an value of 100%. Go to last frame. Change the scale value to 110%. Select both the keyframes. Right-click. Keyframe Assistant, and Easy Ease. Then go to the first frame. Now select all the comps. And parent to the Zoom In layer. Now let's add Film Bar. Create a new solid layer. Right-click. New and Solid. Rename it to Film Bar. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Select the Film Bar layer. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for CC Jaws. Double-click it to apply on Film Bar solid layer. Let's adjust few settings. Change its completion value to 80%. And height to 0. Let's RAM preview this. Hope you like this tutorial. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's learn together. Meet you in the next video. Good day.